Today's topic is about control statements. Control statements means it will allow user to execute some set of statements based on our requirements and condition, and that statements will execute again and again until our condition is satisfied. So there are three types of control statements: selection, looping, jump. In that selection, we have four types: if statement, if else statement, nested if, and switch. In looping, we have three types: while, do, while, for. In jump, we have break, continue, and go to. So here you can see the explanation of if statement. In if statement, this is the simplest form of selection statement. Even this if statement we're going to use frequently in decision making. Decision making is nothing but the statements will allow us to make decision based upon our result of that condition. Based on the result of condition, the decision will take. I will give a best example for decision making. Here you can see the syntax of if statement, that is if expression, statement 1 and statement 2. If in expression you can also write condition. If condition is true, then statement 1 will be executed. If it false, then statement 2 will execute it. So how it works? It all works based on decision making. Here that expression or the condition will makes the decision to how which statement gonna execute. So the decision making, here you can see the example. And if you want programming example, then here you can see the programming example for if statement. I give the condition of this program is x is greater than 20. If that condition is true, then this statement will execute. This print line statement will execute. If that condition is false, then this print line statement or this statement 1 won't execute. So here you can see I give x value is 127. So the condition is true. When you run this program, you will get the execution. You will get the output, that is the value of x is 127. If I give the value of x is less than 20, then if you run this, you won't get any statement. You can see here. Or if you give another statement 2, that if this condition is false, that statement 2 will execute, then that statement 2 will execute it here. But I didn't give any statement 2, that's why there is no statements. So here this is the simplest form. So if condition is true, then statement 1 will execute. If condition is false, then statement 2 will execute it. Or if you didn't give any statements, if you didn't give any statement 2, then that statement 2 won't execute. And here you can see I didn't put semicolon. In every line I put semicolon. Right here, semicolon, semicolon. This is static and public. I won't give semicolons. But here you can see for condition, I didn't give semicolons. So this is a basic thing for conditions, not only in if, even in if, else, switch, nested if, we won't give semicolons. So this is about the if statements. In next video, I will upload about if else statements.